Hello everyone, we are Team Quark with Team ID IGC380 and we are presenting a carbon footprint monitoring and analysis platform designed to make emission insights simple, actionable and accessible. Today, monitoring carbon emissions across various sectors like transportation, energy, buildings and industry is still a complex challenge. Most exciting solutions rely on fragmented data sets, technically dense reports and manual reporting formats that are difficult for non-expert users to understand or act upon. This gap limits real world climate action, especially for individual startups and small institutions. Our approach focused on simplification without compromising accuracy. It is built as a modular and scalable platform where each primary sector is treated as reusable template. This allows us to expand a new sector easily while maintaining the analytics and consistency. Instead of overwhelming users with raw carbon dioxide number, we emphasize guided data inputs, equivalence based interpretations, and intuitive dashboards. So, landing on our landing page, this is our landing page of carbon footprint. From the start, we communicate a simple message: track, understand, and reduce our carbon impact. The platform highlights coverage across four major emission sectors and allows us to begin analysis immediately without any technical onboarding, which can be replicated in future for the similar sectors. Our goal here is clarity and accessibility. Then coming on the input flow, we can start emission analysis. Next, look at the emission data input flow, which is a key design decision. Instead of a free text entry, we use structured and guided forms. This reduces user side complexity and avoid inconsistent data. The users first select the activity sector, that is transportation, energy, or industry, etc. We can add various different sectors. Then each sector dynamically loads its own context-aware input fields, making the experience simple even for non-expert users. Like here we can choose this activity type. For example, we consider the textile manufacturing, and coming over the value, let's say we use 100 tons. It compromises 100 tons of 100 kg of the production value. Then this will show the estimated as emission. This will give you the detail. Here we are demonstrating building emissions inputs such as building type, etc., etc., real time emission. Then the dashboard overview, screen dashboard top section. Once data is submitted, users are redirected to the carbon footprint dashboard. At the top, we present a summary: total emissions, number of activity tracked, top contributor sectors, and average emissions per country. This gives an instant high level understanding of where emissions are coming from, and the platform then breaks emission down using interactive visualizations. We show sector wise bar charts, contributing pie charts, and relative comparisons. Most importantly, we translate emissions into real world equivalents such as kilometer driven, trees need to offset emission, household energy usage, or LED bulb runtime, etc. This equivalence mapping makes abstract carbon numbers relatable and actionable. Then, based on analytic logical rules, based scoring, trend analysis, and relative comparisons, the system generates key insights. For example, it highlights the primary emission source and provides sector specific recommendations such as industrial process optimizing or switching to renewable energy. This bridges the gap between the analysis and action. From a technical perspective, it is built using Spring Boot and PostgreSQL with a pre-processing layer powered by NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Real-time behavior is simulated using curated public data sets, which support for Kafka-based streaming and future integration for paired sandbox APIs. The system is containerized using Docker and designed for deployment on Google Cloud Platform. In summary, this transforms complex carbon data into clear, actionable, and intelligent, supporting scalable, real-world climate action. Here we end our presentation. Thanking you.